Hi, I want to share with you my own experience, the best platform in the best CRM software category. Because there are so many options on the market, we researched and has analyzed many of the leading platforms. We came up with the best choice after considering several factors, including the cost of each CRM. Keep watching to learn more about the essential thing to consider when choosing CRM software. Also, press subscribe to our channel and press like.
Imagine a platform that simplifies your life by making project management easy, efficient, and even exciting. This is Monday.com. It's a modern tool that allows teams from all over the world to collaborate effectively, manage tasks, track progress, and do it all in one convenient space. Now imagine having control over all your projects at your fingertips, wherever you are. Sounds intriguing, right? Monday.com is not just about projects. It's an entire ecosystem of possibilities that helps you organize workflows, improve communication within teams, and ensure transparency at every stage of task execution. Monday.com allows every user to customize their workspaces according to their team or business needs. You no longer have to conform to the rigid frameworks of traditional tools. Instead, you create your own solutions by adding the necessary features and integrations. Project management templates make it easy to get started and see results from the very first steps. Even if you are new to platforms like this, Monday.com is easy to understand. The colorful blocks, clear icons, and simple settings allow you to organize your work so that everyone has a clear understanding of tasks and their priorities. No complex instructions, just a few clicks, and you're all set. One of the key features of Monday.com is the ability to create visual boards, charts, and graphs. At any moment, you can check the status of a project, see who is working on what, and keep track of deadlines. This adds transparency to the entire workflow and helps avoid misunderstandings. Monday.com integrates easily with other popular programs such as Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, Jira, and even CRM systems. This means you don't have to leave the platform to use your favorite tools. All the necessary functions will be within reach, which simplifies work and speeds up processes. Instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, you can automate routine processes. Create your own automation rules, such as tasks automatically moving to the next stage when their status changes, or reminders being sent to the appropriate team member. This helps avoid human error and significantly increases efficiency. Monday.com is a universal platform suitable for businesses of any size. From startups to large corporations, everyone can find their own advantages here. But let's take a closer look at who might benefit the most. Small and medium-sized businesses for managing projects, sales, and internal processes. Large corporations for coordinating between teams and departments. Freelancers for organizing personal tasks and projects. Teams of marketers, developers, designers for conveniently tracking creative processes and collaborations. If you are still using several different tools to manage tasks, communication, progress tracking, and analytics, it's time to change. Monday.com offers an all-in-one solution. Here are a few reasons why it's your best choice. You can always see who is doing what, minimizing mistakes and improving efficiency. Regardless of your technical background, you'll quickly grasp the interface and functionality. Thanks to automation and visual representation, your projects will be completed faster and your team will work more cohesively. You tailor the platform to your needs without unnecessary restrictions or additional costs for custom solutions. With automation and clear task tracking, you can manage time and resources more efficiently. There's no need to manually track every step or constantly remind the team of deadlines. All messages, comments, and discussions are concentrated in one place, making it easier to interact with colleagues and avoid misunderstandings. Every team member can see the bigger picture and know exactly what others are working on. This is especially important for remote teams where process control can be more challenging. As you continue using Monday.com, you will discover even more advanced features that will take your project management to the next level. Let's look at some of these features in more detail. Monday.com allows you to create custom workflows tailored specifically to your team's needs. Whether you're managing a complex product launch or simply overseeing a marketing campaign, you can set up the exact stages your team needs and track each phase in real time. For teams that need to keep an eye on time management, Monday.com provides built-in time tracking tools. This is especially useful for teams working on billable hours, or if you need to monitor how long specific tasks take to complete. Communication is at the core of successful project management, and Monday.com makes it easier than ever. With the ability to leave comments on tasks, share files, and set up automatic updates, team collaboration is seamless, whether you're in the same office or spread out across the globe. Monday.com offers multiple ways to visualize your projects. From Gantt charts to Kanban boards and timeline views, you can switch between different layouts depending on how you prefer to see your progress. Sign up for free to access the platform's basic functionality. You can try out different templates, set up your own boards, and even invite your team for collaborative work. If you like it, and we are confident you will, you can upgrade your plan to access additional features such as extended automation and analytics. Whether your business is growing rapidly or you're looking to streamline operations, Monday.com adapts to your needs. You don't need to invest in separate project management tools, CRM systems, or task trackers. Everything is integrated within the platform. Instead of juggling multiple tools for project management, communication, and collaboration, Monday.com consolidates everything into one space. This leads to fewer mistakes, clearer communication, and faster completion of tasks. Monday.com grows with your team. You can start small and add features, users, and departments as your needs evolve. The platform's flexibility makes it an excellent choice for businesses that plan for long-term growth. Ready to transform how you manage projects and teams? Try Monday.com today, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and tips on how to make the most of your project management tools.